Okay, so 2 weeks ago, I opened two funded accounts with Stealth Trader, one for $5,000 and one for $250,000. I think the $5,000 one cost me something like $57, something like that. I think I got 30% discount on that. And I passed that one in 2 weeks. That was achieved 11 hours ago. And once you achieve your assessment pass, you get this email coming through saying congratulations that you have passed your assessment. Now you've got a live account. And you get the email, and then you get the email saying here's your live account. Log into your client dashboard, sign the contract, and away you go. In fact, I've already got the live account set up straight away automatically. So the small account, the $5,000 one, it's a size that I don't normally trade with. The $250,000 one is more like normal. So with the $5,000 one, I had to mentally just make sure I was taking it serious and making sure I was focusing on position sizing and taking quality trades, because it's quite easy to just foul a $5,000 account because I'm just over trading or I've got the wrong position sizing. So I had to really focus on that, and it was fun. And I would say I had to focus much more on that small size trading account, okay, to make sure I get it passed. But let me show you now what I was doing and it's all about quality. Let's get the charts up, but it's all about quality trades and not just over trading, okay. So the German DAX is the one that passed the account here, and you can see that this morning move for me is something that works so well with our pro trading system. There is a video about what is the morning move on our channel here, but just going for that early morning move where you get that injection of volume in the European session here in London and Europe. And look, you're always using an anchor chart. We'll dive up to the anchor chart that I'm using. I'll show you in a second. But this is the 5-minute entry chart. You could use a 2-minute time frame, no problem with this. And a lot of our students do use 2 minutes. It's fast, it's furious. You've got to get in and you've got to be focused. I don't mind the 5-minute. It's nice and steady for me. I can handle these little pullbacks. But for me, it's green. It's red here. I'm not taking the red short signals. Red meaning short signal. I'm not taking that because the anchor chart is green and up. So if we were doing a point system and we were looking at anchor charts, and if it was green, we'll give it a point. And if the entry chart was green, we'll give it another point. Well, we certainly had 2 points here, okay? If we had 0 point and 1 point, I wouldn't want to take it. So we had a green pro trading system buy with green tracks. We got the first buy signal. Then we got this little pullback here on the trend predictor. And then it just flew higher out the gate for the morning move. Then we got this little pullback again, which was another buying opportunity, okay? The pullback to buy is a great trading strategy. But the green pro trend system told us to buy the market. We just sit back, wait for it to turn red. Got a new buy signal in here. I did not take that. This was done. Got a new buy signal in here. Could have made some more money on that. But for me, the morning move was done by 9:20. All right. So let me show you now what anchor chart I was using, because it is so important that you're using a time frame above your entry time frame, because it stacks the odds on your side. So this is the time frame I like to use. You can see on the German DAX here, it's a 4-hour time frame. It's green and up. It's been green and up since the end of November. It hasn't stopped going up. Why would I want to short on a 5-minute chart the morning move when it's green and up? It's been green and up again today. So there's absolutely no reason to want to short this market, and that's how I passed the assessment, guys. Go in for those high probability trades quickly, in and out, managing the risk, which is so important, making sure I've got the correct position size, because I could easily mess up with that $5,000 account and have the wrong position size in the buy order, in the position size in part of the brokerage. And instead of doing, I could end up making a mistake and doing double the amount of lots that I should be doing. And straight away, I breached that, okay? I breached a funded account. So my advice really, when you do get a funded account, assessment is to just sit and read what the rules are. Sit and read and work out your position sizing. Take it seriously. If it's a small account, 2,000, 5,000, double up with that seriousness and make sure that you really do understand what the rules are. Get your position sizing right. Go small as much as you can at the very start. Understand the point movement, seeing what it's like in the broker, actually moving in P&L terms, and then get used to it, and then you can up it as well, and once you feel like you've got the correct position sizing. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We've got free courses down below. If you want to dive in and get our pro trading system, then there is a book a callback button inside the description on this channel. Make sure you book a callback, grab your pro trading system, get on our program, trade the morning move with us. And that's how I passed that $5,000 self-assessment, but funded account assessment, and that $250,000 one is in progress. Hope it helps, guys. Speak to you soon. Take care.